Thinglink is a great software that students or teachers can use. Students can use it to create projects. They can use it to upload a picture of a project they are working on and hyperlink certain parts of the picture to take them to different videos, Google Forms, Google Docs, anything they want to add to their presentation. Teachers can use it as a great way to connect rooms for an escape room. They can use it as a hyperdoc to give students the next part of their assignment that they are supposed to be working on. One that I have done for my classroom, this is an adding and subtracting rational numbers word problem, and it's all about camping. So when the students click on one of the rooms, it will open up a Google form where they fill out the answers, and if they get the answers correct, they submit it, and then they can go on to the next room. For the purpose of this screencast, I'm going to show you how your students or you can create a Thinglink for yourself. So you're going to log in, create your account, and then at the top you see create. You're going to upload an image. Now you need to go ahead and have an image chosen. I have saved one to my downloads for geometry. So you upload your picture, and now here is where you will connect all of your links. This could be YouTube videos, this could be Google Forms, this could be vocabulary. Anything that you can hyperlink, you can put into this picture. So we're going to title it Geometry. And then you click on the room where you want a hyperlink to go. So down here I have circles. So if I want students to find the area of a circle, I can pull up a brain pop video or a vocabulary or an instructional video of a screencast I have already created of me teaching the students how to solve area and circumference of a circle. And we can talk about the radius and the diameter, and what all the different parts, the characteristics of circles are in order to connect their understanding to what we are learning in class. If a student is doing this, they can create a project, a Powtoon, a Google presentation, a screencast of themselves, a Flipgrid of them describing how to solve various problems using circles, and they can hyperlink it. You're going to use it the same way regardless of whether it's student work or it's a teacher producing work for the students to do. So for the circle, I am going to put a vocabulary, and when students click on this, they'll be able to see the assignment, they'll be able to watch the video, do the vocabulary cards, whatever I have selected for them to do. So you just go into your vocabulary, if that's what you're using, you click on your assignment, you make a copy of it, and then you're going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to save that. So then the next part, I have a triangle. I have a triangle down here, or I have a sphere where we could talk about spheres. We have similar, so we could talk about vocabulary words up here. Anywhere you want to link, again, this is all up to how you make it or how your students want to make it so that they can produce work. So I'm going to put a brain pop link for volume. So when the students click on this, they can see the brain pop video, and then they can take the quiz afterwards. So for you or your students, either one, you're going to continue to link until you are satisfied, and then you're going to save your image. When you save your image, this is where you're going to share it. So if I am using an escape room, then I'm going to embed the link using the embed code, and I'm going to put that into a Google site. If you are doing this as a project for your students and you just want them to share it with you, you can post this on Google Classroom. The assignment is for them to create a Thinglink on this subject in your class, and then they're going to go to share, and they're going to copy, highlight it, and copy it, or it just has the copy link right here. You can click on that button, and then they're going to go to their Google Classroom, and underneath the assignment, they're going to paste this link and turn it in so that you can see their assignment. If you create the Thinglink that is like a hyperdoc that you want to link all of these different articles and assignments and videos for them to watch, then you will do the same thing, and you will share the link on Google Classroom or whichever platform you use to share information with your students. And that is how easy it is to share your Thinglink and to create your Thinglink. And then when you go to your home, you see all of the Thinglinks that you have created.